hadn't realised that these Swiss Army stainless steel mess kits were going for so much money these days. It seems that they're quite rare now. But mine hasn't got the 3 crowns on it. It's got something else, which I can hardly read. But, so I don't know if it's a real one. The other thing this one has, which I'd only just noticed, is on the handle. Sorry, you'll have to excuse the noise. Let me see if I can show you. It's got this little symbol on there as well. So I don't know what that is. Seems pretty genuine, but anyway. But yeah, when I realised that they were going for so much, it quite surprised me. Now I normally keep this in the car, and what I tend to put it in is, let me move that out of my, is I think this is a British Army respirator bag, which is quite nice, I mean, but it's big. So I thought I'd do an upgrade on my mess kits. So what I did on eBay, there was somebody selling the basic windshield, which is fine. It's got no markings on it, but it's fine. Also came with a Trangia, which, oh, can I get that in focus? I don't know if I can. Has got the 3 crowns on it, and it also came with a bottle which is also, also got the 3 crowns on there, so that's nice. Just thought I'd get another windshield because the way I'm wrecking the original one I've got. I also found on the internet, put that there, one of these aluminium lids, which is great, fits perfectly. It's just handy to have another lid. I was just using sort of tin foil, but this is made by handmade by wildcraft.co.uk, and it's nice because it's got the strainer in. But when I was looking at sort of these stoves on the internet, I've noticed people had used to store them in or to carry them in these bags. I might have to pull this back a bit and raise it a bit. Just hang on 1 second. Yeah, these are Swedish Army gas mask bag, and I got it from Military Mart, and it's absolutely mint. At the moment I've just got it packed with carrier bags and things to get the shape, but it's really nice. It's a leather bottom. It's got another strap at the back which I've just taken off for now, that you can attach to other things, but it's absolutely in mint condition. It looks like one of those trendy Four-Raven bags that you see people with these days. So I don't know that I'm going to use this for my Swiss Army mess kit. Sorry, Swedish Army mess kit, get it right. Because it's just so nice. And the service, I ordered it on Thursday, it came on Friday. And it's just absolutely mint condition. If it is Second World War, which they say it is, it's really nice. I say at the moment I've got it for the carrier bags because I'm just trying to get it to shape. But it's got the, oh, I don't know if you can see that. It's got the crown on it, and there's a date on it, 6th of February. It looks like 1841, but it could be, I don't know, it could be something else. Or is that 1041, or is it 1941? Who knows, but it's lovely. yeah, it's a really nice bag. I think I'll use it as a camera bag. So I've done quite a lot of upgrading this week. Yeah. Upgraded that with a lid. Got a new military trangia. I do like these bigger ones, they go on forever. And another bottle, which I've already got one, but that's fine. And a new windshield, which is nice. So the windshield, the trangia and the bottle was about £10–11, but it all looks really good quality, good nick. There's nothing wrong with it. I don't know if it's a remake or a clone or whatever, but the bottle and the trangia certainly not. So yeah, so anybody knows what all this means on my, let's see if I can get that in focus, little, oops, sort of shamrocky type thing. So I don't know, anybody knows about these mess kits and how old they are. I mean, if that's World War II, if that's 1950s, gosh, they are bomb-proof. More a knife versus oyster. Who wins? I think the oyster won. Oh dear. I'm going to have to do some work on that. Oh dear. Old, beaten up Opinel versus oyster. Opinel wins. It's funny, Aldi are doing oysters. I think it's for Valentine's Day. But great, I haven't seen an oyster in ages, and I do like them.